name is Yoo-hyun Kim. I am in the 5th grade at Noyoung Elementary School. Today I want to tell you about my favorite sport and hobby, which is bowling. I started to play bowling when I was 1st grade. I learned bowling from my dad. I started with a 6 kg baseball and now I play 11 kg ball. My best score is 181 and my average is 100. I play bowling with my family but the most with my dad. His average is 120, so he is a good player than me. My dad is my teacher and best company. I enjoy playing with him so much. When I can't get a good score, sometimes I feel like giving up. But my dad gives me advice to throw the ball inside the net. I follow his coaching, then I play better. My goal is to reach the average of 200 someday. Bowling helps me to develop concentration and mind control. I play also friends from school. But usually they play only several times and didn't continue. I want to tell them try to learn bowling because it is very fun. Bowling is my precious hobby and I am proud of myself to be a bowling player. Thank you for listening to my story.